Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today I'm super excited to show you what I got from the range. Let's start this off with this beautiful painting that I got today from the Crafty Club. Now, they have just introduced doing these, which are, I should imagine, 30x30s. And if you look very carefully, they're not really tiny drills. They seem to be like, it's more tends to be gem art, which tend to be bigger round drills. But it looks as if this Crafty Club company are now rolling out some more canvases. The Crafty Club company is the company that a few months ago, you know that lemur that I got on that tiny little card? Well, they're now doing these. And also behind this, because I did take a look behind, always make sure if this is the first one on the shelf, don't automatically assume that this is all the way up the shelf. Behind was a turtle that they're doing, and I intend on getting that the next time I'm in Chelmsford, which will probably be 2 weeks' time, because next week I'm at Colchester, so I like to take it in turns. But yeah, I'm super excited to get into this. It's £4.99 or €6.50 if you're aboard, and it looks like a partial because it just looks like that the dog's here done. And then you've got the dog house. So let's turn that over and see what's in here. Okay, so in here we've got our brackets again. Very nice of them to include brackets because obviously Art Studio do as well. We've got kit includes stretch canvas, and it is a 30x30, so I was spot on there. 1 wax square, 1 diamond paint stylus, 1 gem base, and 7 we haven't severed it, don't worry, coloured gem bags. So I'm super excited to get into here. Let's get ourselves, I'll have to use my scissors here and just get that done. I've never had a crafty gem like painting this sort of size before, so I'm hoping it'll be the same sort of quality, yeah, as Art Studio. And as you can see, straight away you can see that all these are big gems. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we got some bags, because we got some bags in there. So fingers crossed we got some, because I'm desperate for bags at the moment, and they don't crop up very often. Now, they used to always crop up in every kit, and now they're sort of a thing of the past. So yeah, so we have got, oh look, a nice big batch of them. Fabulous, darling, fabulous. And as you can see, your standard white tray with the gold brackets. And as I said, we will get to the jewels a little bit later on, but they are all of the same size. So that's going to be interesting, because with some diamond paints that we work on 30x40s, you tend to work on the same size. Specials, you get a mixture. So to work on one that's got basically all these big gems, that's going to be a first for me, I think. So let's get into here. But yeah, I really want to see. What I will say as well, with the Crafty Club in Chelmsford, the diamond paintings are upstairs. Now, this wasn't in the diamond paint section. The Crafty Club section is normally where the stationery is. So where you've got that back wall at the diamond paintings, you go along, down, and then round the corner, and that's where they are. So don't automatically assume if you go there and you can't see it's on there. They are in there. It's just round near the stationery section. And in here, oh wow, these are really big symbols. By God, yeah. Okay. Is it me, or have they just gone and zoomed it up? Wow, this is going to be interesting, because this is quite a big, I mean, look at the drill symbol size. It's so big, isn't it? And it's beautiful big blue eyes. So yeah, a very sort of pastel vibe going on here with the outlining, and again it is a partial. So let's take a look in here. Oh, sorry, I thought the stick was gone, and it's his nose. Of course his nose not drilled. Yeah, there we go, beautiful. I got panicky there because I thought this was having a stick issue, and it's not, it's partialed. So his nose and his eyes are partialed, but everything else seems to be pretty damn good. So yeah, so let's get into our drills. I'm really pleased with that. Oh my God, it's having a while of its time it's drunk. But let's take a look at, oh, look at that pink. Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, so again, very interesting here. These drills are absolutely massive. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's a beautiful pink. That is absolutely stunning. Oh, wow. We will have spares of them because that's just for his tongue and the little necklace thing that he's wearing there. Oh, this painting won't stay up today. We got cherry red, we got a gold, silver, 2 packs of them. Very generous here with 2 packs of gold as well. And a bronze and a gold. Also, I will just say, I walked upstairs because the lift was out of order, and oh my god, I felt like I was in a football pitch. All upstairs where the Christmas decorations are, they've completely gutted it, and I think they've got a few Christmas trees left and a few things on sale. But apart from that, it just looked like a big arena. They need to start filling that shelf a bit, or that space, you know. So yeah, that is, I can't wait to get into that. Fabulous. So let's put that to one side. Now, the next thing I got, this isn't diamond paint related, but I love using my glue gun, and I found these from Art Studio. And these are the glue sticks that I use. I like using the coloured ones because it just makes the project a little bit more fun rather than keep using the standard white ones. These come with pinks, a sort of darker pink, and a few whites at the bottom there. But they look so nice, I wouldn't want to use them, but we must use them because I was running low on cartridges for my glue gun. So yeah, I got some of them. And the next thing I did get, I'll show you the best thing, I'll save the best thing till last. Valentine's is coming up and they're bringing out these, which are Bonds of Sweets. Love you. More than pizza, apparently. Pizza slices and hearts. Now, again, I do try to keep it diamond paint related, but when they're bringing out stuff like this, I have to show you. So, I don't think these are going to last 5 minutes in my house, because I tend to eat everything I buy the same day I get it, especially if it's sweets. But I thought I'd show you because they're bringing out Valentine's range. There wasn't a Valentine's painting, unfortunately. So, yeah, a little bit gutted. But remember, we're only in January still. I'm filming this on the 17th of January. So, hopefully, again, fingers crossed, we might get some in January. Okay, so these are very similar, like, you know, them little packs of the gummy sweets you used to get, but pizza slices. So I can assure you they are gorgeous because I have had them before and they are beautiful. So I think I paid $1.75 for these, but these you don't really get a lot of these, do you? It just seems to be loaded more of pizza, but that's a bit of a rip-off because you've got 1, 2, about 3 parts. There's nothing in the middle. 4, was that the one I've just counted? Yeah, it's more pizza. Well, that's disappointing. Oh man, that's not good. And then, last but not least, it's been 2 years of diamond painting. It's one thing that I've always wanted to do, and 2 years down the line, I have finally got a project that I have been waiting to do for so long. It is the Crystal Notebook Mandala. Yes, I've always been looking for a notebook. I've always wanted to do a diamond painting notebook, and this come up. It was... Oh my bloody hell. Sorry about that. Don't know where the hell that came from. God blimey, there must be dust on this. Oh. Whoa. Don't know what that was all about. But yeah, I've always wanted to do this, and they had like a little mermaid, and then I saw this and I thought the mermaid was a little bit too babyish for me. So this is sort of like the Nespers thing, but it was $2.99 to put the label upside down, or €3.90. On the back, you get 6 coloured gems, and on the back, you get your notebook, B5 notebook. Oh, that's interesting size. I work with A5 things, which are normally about probably smaller than that envelope. 1 wax square, diamond paint stylus gem bag, and 6 coloured gem bags. So, is it going to be a really nice quality book note, diary even, or is it going to be something else? Also to point out, they are doing a 30x30 mandala now in there as well, so I saw that again, and I was going to get it, but I was debating on it because it has to give me the wow factor. It always has to give me the wow factor if I'm buying it, or I'm not going to get it. So I think we should get into this and see what it looks like. So there's a bit of it feels like a really cheap one. Remember guys, you are paying £3, so it's not going to be the best of quality. Oh god, what's happened to this? Okay, I'm just going to fight with it because I don't keep the packaging anyway, so okay. I can't believe I'm doing a notebook, guys. Okay, oh my god, it's got stuck on something. Jesus. Oh right, okay, so it's one of them pucker ones. You know, the pucker pads that you can get? Again, lots of bags, thank you. Yes, brilliant, okay. And these are the drills, but getting into this. This is, although it's £3, it's really, sorry, although it's £3, it's really lovely quality. You've got that lovely spine on it. But look at that. That's going to be so colourful once it's done. The stick, oh my god, this is thick. It's not the best to stick, but remember you're getting what you pay. Oh yes, lined. I love lined notepads. But you get quite a lot of sheets in this. I don't have the time to sit here counting how many, but yeah, for £3, I think that's beautiful. I cannot believe I'm going to be doing a notepad. I've always wanted, like, I cannot tell you how much I've wanted to do a notepad. So we can finally take that off of the to-do things to try. So that just leaves bookmarks to try now. But yeah, I think they had a mermaid like this, but it was a little bit too babyish for me, so I got this, which is very, very pastel. I mean, they're like flowers, aren't they, here? And then this looks like one of them spin the wheel things where you win a prize on the giveaway. And then these are like mosaic things. So can't wait to do that. And then what are we going to use the notepad for? Could it be whip and chat notes, like things to talk about, so we jot down what we want to talk about in the show? Could it be memoirs, you know? Could it be a journal as, you know, I started this painting on this date and finished it on that date? You know, it could be for anything you want. But yeah, £2.99, so that's on this part here. And these are our drills, again, lovely pastels. We've got an orange, a yellow, red, a blue, thought that was red then, 2 whites there, a purple and a beautiful icy pink there. So really, really lovely indeed. So that's my little haul from the range. I got myself, so the notepad, got this, and then I also got the dog, the sweets, and the glue sticks. Now, let me know what your favourite is out of them ones. I've also got this. Now, this didn't come from, it's not a diamond paint related thing. It came from Home Bargains, but I thought I'd include it in this. I had been to Home Bargains today and did again look down the toy section, see if there was any paintings. I'm struggling to find paintings in Home Bargains, but they're bringing out the Valentine's candles. Look at this. You make my heart melt. Chocolate bomb scented candle. Bit disappointed because I thought it would have been like sweet sort of flavours, sweet sort of scents, because obviously Valentine's is about, you know, eating sweets and all sort of, you know, sweetie stuff. But again, that beautiful pink there, 2 weeks on this one. And oh my god, yeah, woo, overload on chocolate there. My Grinch one's like that, so yeah, I think that's another one which was like Parma Violet scent, but I got that for £3, and yeah, absolutely love it. So I can't wait to use that in Valentine's. Got a lovely mirror there, and yeah, so that's what it that was my candle that I got from Home Bargains. So they are doing these now, and yeah, so really happy with that. So do let us know what your favourite is. As I said, I cannot believe I've got a notebook now, finally. Like, I'm so over the moon with that. I cannot wait to get it done. I might put it onto like a Saturday, like a one-off video, perhaps if we've got a video running late because it's taken too long to process. Perhaps we could chuck this in as a one-off, because I don't think this is going to be part of a theme as such, because I mean, this is our first notepad, so I don't know, but I can't believe it. I cannot believe I've got a notepad. Like, it's something I've always wanted to do. But please let us know in the comments what your favourite thing is. Head to the range now, because they're doing a lot of good things at the moment. And I think next time I go, in about 2 weeks' time, I'm going to get that turtle. But let's hope that B&M's have some things in Colchester, because I'll tell you something. Last time I went there, which was, it would have been 10th, they had literally just this leopard thing, and yeah, there was just nothing there. So yeah, anyway, enough rambling on. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Always tap that notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video pops up on the channel. And I will see you very soon for another unboxing coming up on Friday. Don't forget, if you are a channel member, you get your videos on a Tuesday. And yeah, until then, thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.